Number 2 is LOTMAXX Shark V3 Auto-Leveling 3D Printer. Introducing the ultimate footwear creator's dream come true, the LOTMAXX Shark V3 Auto-Leveling 3D Printer. Step into a world where your shoe design visions spring to life with unparalleled precision and flair. This cutting-edge marvel isn't just a 3D printer, it's a footwear revolution waiting to happen. Crafted with genius, the Shark V3 boasts a gravity-defying smart G-sensor auto-leveling system that dances with gravity to ensure each layer is flawlessly aligned. Imagine shoes so well-crafted that they're practically tailor-made for your feet. Let's talk size. The Shark V3's playground is enormous, accommodating shoe fantasies up to 9.25 by 9.25 by 10.43 inches. And the silence? Deafeningly serene. Your shoe symphony takes center stage thanks to the whisper-quiet TMC 2208 ultra-silent drivers. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.